Hinahanap kasi mostly ngayon pang winter. So, ito pang summer. So, i-display ulit natin ito pang summer. Yun. So, ayan. Okay. So, ayan. So, may natira pa. Okay. Ayan.
New arrivals.
So, may ano kami, upcoming event. May naka-schedule niya. May mga new arrival na kami. For next event namin. Okay. For ano naman yun, for summer event. So, yan. And of course, for my outfit, for my accessories, thank you so much, Raquel, for my accessories. Okay, this is Mayora, Trisome 21, ang iyong lingkod. Okay. So, nasaan na? Okay. Ito pa, ito.